So it's school bus time and I'm so tired. I usually get in the car to warm it up. Would you believe I started to pull away without my child? I'm tired and it's 28 degrees, but that's okay. My house is warm. Oh. Hi there. Hi. Hi, sweetie. You a bunny rabbit? So I had an appointment today an hour away, and now I am going to get some pizza because I'm in a good state that makes it different than mine. I love these little strip malls, little quickie marts. The Victorian house is nearby, and voila! Good pizza from the Northeast. Hot but good. Of course, I said don't make it too hot, but of course they do, which is fun. There's something about eating in your own car. So fun. I think I'm a secret van lifer. I do miss my cats, but I'll be home. It's dripping. I'll be home soon. Basically a van lifer that doesn't really want to drive anywhere. Just drive around. Like a daytime van lifer. That's what I'm going to do. Now I need a van. No, I thought it was just Christmas design, but it's cherry Coke. It's diet though, so that's good for me. Mickles. Oh my god. I love necklaces and cat things. French fries. Home at last. Been quite an eating day today. Lots of fast food. It's a chilly one. No French fries for you? I don't think he likes them. Nope.